Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we will delve into the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.72. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has recorded a loss of -2.74%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.37% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the lower end of a declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend support at $88.51 is breached, it would primarily indicate an accelerated decline. Over the past 3 months, the trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 6.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -8.38% and +0.74%. Looking ahead to the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 2.29% over the next year, with a potential return between 0.94% and 16.22%. This would result in a price range from $91.05 to $104.83 after a year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF after losing 2.74%. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price fell by 2.74% on the last day, Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, from $92.74 to $90.20. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.30% from a day low at $89.55 to a day high of $90.72. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 2.03% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 52 million shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 96 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.69 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, and the lowest price was $86.75. Currently, the price is 11.25%, or $11.44, below the 52-week high, and 49.81%, or $89.50, below the all-time high on March 9th, 2020, when the price reached $179.70. Treasury bonds, particularly the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond Exchange Traded Fund, or TLT, find themselves at a critical juncture. Analysts describe this as a potential breakout or breakdown point. The current economic landscape amplifies this uncertainty as investor attention shifts towards fluctuating bond yields and interest rates. These factors are heavily influenced by the Federal Reserve's management of monetary policy, especially with the upcoming presidential election looming on the horizon. Recent trading trends reveal heightened liquidity in the exchange-traded fund market, reflecting a significant increase in trading volume as investors position themselves ahead of Election Day. These dynamics could lead to increased volatility for TLT, as decisions made in the political arena often sway market sentiment. Analysts also emphasize that a potential win for certain presidential candidates could result in negative consequences for Treasury bonds. There is a general consensus that markets may respond unfavorably to a Trump victory, potentially leading to a decline in bond prices. In the short term, TLT might witness heightened trading activity and volatility as investors adjust to the election outcomes and shifts in economic indicators. However, in the longer term, the outlook for TLT appears optimistic. Current economic signals suggest that a recession could lead to cuts in interest rates, an environment that typically benefits long-duration bonds as investors seek safety amidst uncertainty. Ultimately, investors are encouraged to closely monitor both the political developments surrounding the elections and the broader economic indicators, as these factors will significantly influence TLT's future positioning in the market. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $91.83 and $94.75. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 16, 2024, and thus far it has fallen by 10.98%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer observation of the ETF. Here are some additional signals you might find valuable. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 38 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 30 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 35 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 12 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the exchange-traded fund may perform poorly in the coming days. Generally, this ETF tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with adequate liquidity, the risk is regarded as very low. In the last day, the ETF fluctuated $1.17 between its high and low, which represents 1.3%. Over the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.36%. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond is at 90.84. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a purchase. For those who already possess the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is a lack of significant support from accumulated volume beneath this level, indicating that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and think carefully before placing trades, especially if you are not an experienced trader familiar with navigating such scenarios. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is no stop loss currently established. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a worthwhile investment? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond currently shows several negative indicators and is part of a declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Our assessment of this ETF remains negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of November, we expect the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond to open with a decrease of approximately 4 cents, starting at $90.16. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.